Hi guys, so let's talk about this today. This is the Amazon free baby box that you get for making a registry with them. How I got it, you have to sign up for an Amazon baby registry, and you do have to already be an Amazon Prime member. But if you're not, most people are. If you're not, you can sign up for an Amazon Prime free trial and still get this after making a registry. So you sign up for a baby registry, um, and you have to go through like a checklist to add a certain amount of things to the registry. And once the registry is complete, you don't automatically get the box right away. Once a $10 purchase has been made off the registry, then you can grab the box. The cool thing about that is you don't have to buy it yourself. Somebody else can purchase from the registry for you. Or you can add something that you need anyway if you don't want to buy something directly from your registry. Right now, like you can add toilet paper to your Amazon baby registry, buy it, and then qualify for the box. Or you can buy something that you definitely want for the baby, you want to make sure you get, and just purchase it yourself. Like I think I ordered a box of wipes. You can never have too many wipes. And I got this. So once the $10 purchase has been made and it ships from your registry, you will be able to like check a box to get the baby box. And it shows up as like $35, but they give you a code, and in your cart you put in you check use promotional gift card balance, and it takes $35 off. So it comes out free. So you end up getting this box for free. And it's just a couple samples. It ships in this really cute little baby box. And that's pretty much how you get it. I think most people are familiar with Amazon, but I can still drop a link in the description as to where to make an Amazon registry. Yeah, as far as what comes in it, just a couple little samples or gifts that they give you for the baby. You get a little thank you pack of thank you cards, a Dr. Brown's bottle, a Huggies sample pack. I mentioned before that I'm not the biggest fan of Huggies, but if you like Huggies, or if you want to try it, it's a sample pack in there. And then this was really cute, and I thought it was really cool that they included this. You get a muslin swaddle blanket, and these are actually really nice. It's really cool that they put that in the box. So you get one of these in the box. A pacifier, a sample pack of Honest Co diapers. They actually have a trial as well. I can drop a link in the description box as how to get their trial. You do have to pay like $6 shipping, I think, for a box of samples. Honestly, this is maybe like my third pack like this that I've gotten in like a gift box. I got one in my Amazon gift box, obviously this one. Got one in my Target gift box. I think I got one in my Bye Bye Baby gift bag. So you don't actually have to spend the money shipping to get the trial of these, because you can get more sample pampers or sample diapers just by getting these different bags that they have the little pack like this in. But I'll still put the link in the description box if you want to do it anyway. And this is really cute. They give you a Simple Joys by Carter onesie. It's just like a little bodysuit. Has like a safari animal print on there. I did see somebody opening their Amazon box and they had like a different print, so I think it just varies month to month. I got this one October 2019. So, I mean, they're all pretty cute, and babies run through these. This is 3 to 6 months too. I like that they size up and don't just give you all newborn stuff, because they grow out of all the newborn stuff so quickly. And then lastly, I feel like a lot of boxes have been giving us samples of these as well. I'll definitely be using these, just a small simple pack of water wipes. And then if you want to go out and purchase more, there's a $1 coupon on the back, which hopefully people don't just forget about. Yeah, so I will drop in the description box how to get it. If you already use Amazon just for day-to-day stuff, it's definitely worth it just to get, because you only have to spend $10 or have $10 spent off your registry, and you could absolutely add something to your registry that you were going to purchase anyway, or you can just share your registry with your friends, and once somebody makes an initial purchase, you can go ahead and get your box. But I'll add more details in the description about how to get this free gift box.